Hi, I always a Fitbit user. I think I started to use wearing Fitbits since 2016 or 2015. I think 2015. So always Fitbit, always like my first Fitbit is a use, and now I just bought the new FitBit Versa. It's beautiful. It's almost like Apple Watch. Yeah, I have Apple Watch too, but Fitbit has maybe only 1/3 price from Apple Watch. I'm so happy with what I bought. When I went through my FitBit Versa yesterday, I found the weather apps. Oh yeah, the weather apps in Celcius, not Fahrenheit. So I went through my Versa. I couldn't find it. How to change that? So and then I think everything like these apps always go to a cell phone. So in this video, I will show you, this is short video, I will show you how to change the weather apps from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. So whatever you like to use, Fahrenheit or Celsius. Okay, without further ado, let's go. Now let's start. Okay, now you look your apps, Fitbit apps. There, Fitbit apps. Yeah, you click that and you see the picture, my picture on the left side, on top, on the left side, left side. This is still syncs my Fitbit, but yeah, and then click that picture, your picture, and you get that your account, and click Versa 3, and you got that gallery. Click gallery, you got this page looking for weather. Yeah, click. Now setting. Now you can see unit. Yeah, when you click the unit, you can see Celsius or Fahrenheit. Click whatever you want. Back, and don't forget to sync your Fitbit. Sync your Fitbit now. Yeah, so it will change in your smartwatch. Done. Back again, and you're done. Now you have it. You can change the weather apps, Celsius and Fahrenheit. So enjoy this video and please give me like if you think this is useful, and if you don't mind, please subscribe and share this video. Maybe someone else can use this video to help. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.